Hello, this video is about the recent COVID-19 virus that's going around and how we're handling it here at AMS Landscaping and how we're addressing it. We are still working and actually considered an essential service during this time. So we are doing our best to prevent the spread of the virus as we continue to provide service to our clients. So actually we have a list through the Arizona Landscapers Contractors Association, ALCA, that has put a list together for us that we've all been practicing by. And the first one is we're just practicing social distancing. Even when we come into the office, we are staggering the crews so that there's never more than one crew in the office at a time. And we're down to two-man crews just so there's less team members in one truck at a time, so there's just less chance of spreading. We reduce the time around others when we're on site at the work here at the office, or whether we're on the project at your home maintaining the landscaping. We're always practicing safe distances of at least 6 feet away. We are making sure that we are doing our best to avoid touching our face, like our eyes, nose, and mouth, washing our hands quite frequently. Also just covering, sneezes the way you're supposed to, in your elbow, and just constantly cleaning here at the office and keeping the equipment clean. We're even cleaning our cell phones and staying at home. If anyone is sick, we're making sure that all our team members don't come in if they have a cough or a fever or any of the symptoms that, whether it's COVID-19 or just the regular flu, you just want to play it safe during these times. If there is a child that is sick at home, we want to be cautious of that also. So we're making sure that our teams are communicating with us with that. And just minimizing essential travel. We're just getting the job done in and out, trying to minimize our contact with clients, and 99% of the time, we're able to just get in and out without ever disrupting anyone at home, just to get the job done and keep the yard maintained. If you have any other questions, we will be posting the verbiage on this blog on our website at azlawns.com. My name is Eli Hall, and feel free to contact us if you have any other questions. Thanks much, and appreciate all the business.